Hey guys, I am here at the Himalaya World of Neem event where they have just launched the new Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. I feel like I have literally stepped into a cleanse. The OG face wash just got a glow up. Now it's made with the goodness of 5 parts of neem and I love it. So the thing is that it not just reduces pimples. It's clinically tested, so it prevents them from coming back again and again. Honestly, every corner here feels like skincare plus fun rolled into one. Let's explore more. You pick a leaf and it gives you a skincare truth. So many myths skipped. Never have I ever used toothpaste for my pimples. Of course I have. Guilty as charged. From popping pimples to DIY disasters. No more of that. It's time to skip the bad stuff and keep only what works. Obsessed with this zone. Just look at the way this light hits. No filter needed at all. This glow feels so real. This was my favorite zone. Skipping the junk food today actually makes me feel so refreshing. My body, my skin, they're already saying thank you. So yeah, here I am, fully ready to skip my pimple episodes. And not just that, skip the stress and the self-doubt that usually comes with it. Himalaya Neem Face Wash has me covered. Hey guys, I had the most incredible experience at the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure Guinness World Record event. L'Oreal Paris did something absolutely legendary. They set a Guinness World Record of more than 500 people untying their hair simultaneously, symbolizing freedom from oily hair struggles. But this wasn't just about that. It was more about inspiring us to free our hair and live with confidence. This event was more than record-breaking. It was a deep dive into the science of hair care. L'Oreal Paris created a special interactive space where we got an exclusive look at the science behind Hyaluron Pure range. I am so amazed by these products and I can't wait for you guys to try them. This range is perfect for oily scalp and dry ends. It's your time to free your hair with Hyaluron Pure range. Hey there! As you all know that I have been using Indus Valley's Depigmentation Gel for so long now and I am a fan. So now they have extended their depigmentation range and added a face wash and face serum. And they've sent me their depigmentation range to try it out. This entire regime, with the same goodness of cow yogurt, Mashobra wild honey, and is made with all natural and organic ingredients, is lightweight, gentle on the skin, also is dermatologically tested. This face wash has papaya extract, which exfoliates and brightens the skin, followed by brightening depigmentation elixir. It's different from other serums. The special formula is an ultra light and absorbs faster than any other serums. And complete with the brightening depigmentation gel. You know how much I love this one. This has helped me so much with depigmentation, reducing blemishes and fading dark spots. Guys, trust me, put all of them in one routine. It works amazing. I love this range. Their combined results have really reduced my pigmentation and dark spots, making my skin healthier, softer, and smoother. You should definitely try them out. This amazing regime is available on Amazon, Flipkart,